Hello dear friends, come gather near, a magical night is waiting here. The stars all twinkle, the breezes sing, Bluey and Pororo start to spring. The grass is soft, the moon shines bright, two friends come close in gentle light. Bluey with paws that skip so fast, Pororo waddles, laughs that last. The air goes whoosh, the leaves all play, they chase each other through fields that sway. Pororo trips, then hops up quick, Bluey just giggles, her tail does flip. The pond reflects the stars above, they splash around with playful love. Pororo dives with a happy cheer, Bluey jumps in, the ripples clear. Come run with us, come sing, come stay, subscribe for fun in every way. We'll laugh, we'll share, adventures too, new happy stories just for you. The night grows bright with firefly glow, little lights twinkle, soft and slow. They chase the sparkles across the ground, their joyful shouts make a merry sound. Pororo finds a shiny stone, it sparkles bright like a gift well known. Bluey says, wow, let's keep it near, a treasure to share each joyful year. The wind hums low, the stars shine wide, the two sit close by the riverside. They talk of dreams, of play, of song, of days ahead that feel so long. The owl above goes, hoo, 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 a lullaby sound, so soft, so true. Bluey leans back, her eyes grow deep, Pororo yawns, they drift to sleep. The water sings with gentle grace, the night wraps round in warm embrace. The fireflies dim, the shadows stay, but peace and love will never stray. So hush now friends, the night feels near, the world is calm, the stars are clear. Bluey and Pororo wave goodbye, their dreams will dance across the sky. Come back again, bring cheer, bring song, our tales of love will not be long. We'll laugh once more, adventures true, and share more joy with all of you. Now close your eyes, let calm flow through, Pororo smiles kindly, Bluey does too. The night holds love so warm, so true, and Bluey loves you too.